Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wonderpedia. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of serpents as we explore the extraordinary lengths, literally, of the world's longest and heaviest snakes. Let's dive into the serpent spectacle. The Anaconda, queen of the waters. The green anaconda, scientifically known as Inex marinus, holds the title of the world's heaviest snake, earning its moniker as the queen of the waters. Inhabiting the lush landscapes of South America, particularly the Amazon rainforest, this colossal serpent can reach lengths of up to 29 feet and weigh around 550 pounds. Adapted to aquatic environments, the anaconda is a skilled swimmer, often found in slow-moving rivers, swamps, and marshes. The reticulated python, master of constriction. The reticulated python, Python reticulatus, known as the master of constriction, reigns as the longest snake species globally, captivating enthusiasts with its impressive length and intricate patterns. Native to Southeast Asia, it can exceed 25 feet in length, showcasing a distinctive reticulated pattern on its sleek, slender body. Typically, these pythons weigh between 150 to 250 pounds, 68 to 113 kilograms, in adulthood. Renowned for its hunting prowess, the reticulated python employs powerful constriction techniques to subdue prey. Indian python, Python mularis. The Indian python, Python mularis, native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, is a captivating snake species celebrated for its adaptability and striking appearance. With lengths reaching up to 20 feet, these pythons exhibit a combination of elegance and strength. Generally, these pythons can weigh anywhere from 100 to 150 pounds, 45 to 68 kilograms, in adulthood. Their intricate pattern of dark blotches on a lighter background contributes to their remarkable visual appeal. Indian pythons thrive in diverse habitats, from grasslands to forests, showcasing their ability to adapt to varying environments. African rock python, Python subah. The African rock python, Python subah, stands as one of the largest snake species in Africa, showcasing an impressive combination of size and strength. With lengths reaching around 20 feet, these pythons are recognizable by their intricate patterns of dark blotches on a lighter background. Inhabiting various environments across sub-Saharan Africa, from grasslands to forests, the African rock python exhibits versatility in its habitat preferences. Although not as massive as some other python species, their typically robust build allows them to weigh between 100 to 150 pounds. As we conclude our mesmerizing journey into the world of the longest and heaviest snakes. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow nature enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button for more thrilling adventures.